Hi, I'm Paula and I'm a lawyer. Throughout the years, I have been asked to do presenting work. Speaking in front of a camera, however, is very different to speaking at a live event. Here are my tips for presenting to camera. 1. Maintain good posture and eye contact and ensure that your tone is appropriate for your audience. Body language is key. Feel free to use your hands as this allows you to be more expressive and natural. Whether you are using an auto cue or not, practicing your script is imperative to a natural presentation. Reading from an auto cue can be challenging as the text moves quite quickly. Ensure that the auto cue speed is appropriate for the pace of your presentation. I always aim to learn my speech by heart. I don't need to learn the entire speech. When we record the video, I only recite one block at a time. This creates a more authentic presentation. It is good to record the same paragraph a couple of times before moving on to the next one. This gives the editor a variety of takes to use during the editing process in order to find that best take. If you have never presented to camera before, our team at Sirius Productions will walk you through the process and coach you to get the best result. Reach out to us today to see how we can help you create the most natural approach to your presentation.